Hello everyone, welcome to another Breezy Greek lesson. Today, we're going to focus on how to introduce yourself in Greek. One of the most common ways to introduce yourself in Greek is me Lene, and then follow it with your name. So if your name is John, you would say me Lene John. Easy, isn't it? Let's hear a real-world example in Greek.
Με λένε Σοφία. Με λένε Σοφία.
Next, we're going to learn how to say I am from. In Greek, you say Eimai and then the name of your city or country. Let's hear some example sentences in Greek.
Είμαι από τη Γαλλία. Είμαι από τη Γαλλία.
You might have noticed that we say I am from France a little differently in Greek. We add a word before the name of the country, which is called the definite article. Think of it like saying the in English. But in Greek, it is important to include it. So it's not just saying I am from France, it's more like saying I am from the France. Why do we do this? Well, Greek has different forms for nouns depending on their role in a sentence, called cases. In our previous video about days of the week, we talked about two of these cases, nominative and genitive. When we say I am from France, we're using another case called the accusative. Since France is feminine in Greek, you might notice it follows the same pattern for cases as epithemata from our previous lesson on days of the week. For those of you who haven't watched this video, a link will be in the description below. Finally, let's learn how to say nice to meet you. Using this phrase when meeting someone new will show politeness and is considered good etiquette in Greek society. Let's hear how it's pronounced in Greek and see how we can use everything we learned in a simple sentence.
Με λένε Σοφία. Χαίρο πολύ.
All right, pop quiz time. Can you remember how to say I am from Germany in Greek? Stumped on that first word? No worries. Head over to our video on the Greek verb to be for a quick catch-up. Don't forget, all the videos that can help you with this lesson are linked in the description below. That wraps up our lesson today on how to introduce yourself in Greek. If you're interested in mastering a wide range of Greek concepts for free, check out breezygreek.com. If you like this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.